Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a theme in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the conversation that has the theme you want to remove. This works for any chat where you or the other person has applied a custom theme, whether it's a colorful bubble design or a special background pattern. Once you're in the conversation, look at the upper right corner of your screen and click the information icon. This icon typically looks like a small circle with an eye inside it or sometimes appears as 3 dots depending on your device. Clicking this will open up the chat settings and details. Now you'll see the name of the person you're chatting with displayed at the top of this new screen. This confirms you're in the right place to make changes to your conversation settings. Under their name, you'll find several options. Go ahead and click on Customize. This option gives you access to all the personalization features for your chat, including themes, emoji choices, and quick reactions. Once you're in the Customize menu, make sure you're on the Theme tab at the top. If you see multiple tabs like Theme, Emoji, or Nickname, simply tap on Theme to ensure you're viewing the theme options. This section controls the visual appearance of your entire conversation. Now you'll see a list of available themes, and you'll notice that one of them has a check mark next to it. That check mark indicates the currently active theme for this conversation. This is the theme that's making your chat look different from the default Messenger appearance. Click on that checked theme. By selecting the current theme again, you're telling Messenger that you want to make changes to it or adjust your theme settings. And after clicking on it, you'll see an option that says Remove. Go ahead and click Remove. This action will instantly strip away the custom theme and return your conversation to Messenger's default appearance with the standard colors and layout. And that's it. You've successfully removed the theme from your Facebook Messenger conversation. The chat will now display in the classic Messenger style without any special visual effects or colors. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.